Alright, good morning class. In the previous lesson we have learned the cellular part RBC we have already completed. Today we are going to do another cellular part that is known as WBCs. Now WBCs, if I am asking you what is another name for WBC, it is not white blood cells. So we have another name that is known as leukocytes. Another name of WBC will be leukocytes, Leucocytes, and it is irregular in shape. It is shapeless and has presence of nucleus. In case of RBC, there was no nucleus. Nucleus is the center, is the control center of the cell. It will decide whether to let the things inside the cell or it wants the cell to get out from the cell. So it is a control center, it is the boss of the cell. This nucleus is the boss. In case of RBC, it's lacking, and in case of WBC, you have the nucleus. So where it is produced in bone marrow and in lymph nodes. In case of RBC, the lifespan is 120 days. Now over here is for 2 weeks. It survived for 2 weeks. Okay, so what are they now? They are colorless and circulate throughout the body. It is a colorless and they are colorless and it circulates throughout the body. They are less in numbers as compared to RBC. They are less in numbers as compared to RBCs. So what is the function of WBC? Why do we need WBC in our body? So it helps to fight against diseases and germs, soldiers of the body. It acts, so whenever we play football, this is simple, okay? Whenever we play football, we have defenders. So the main aim of the defenders is to protect that no one goes past the defender and score a goal. So they act as a defenders. It defends the body, all right, to fight against diseases and germs. Soldiers of the body are also known as the best defenders. Let us revise class once again. All right, so WBC, white blood cells. Another name is leukocytes, irregular in shape. You must have seen amoeba, paramecium. Okay, these are irregular and shapeless. As a nucleus. Nucleus main function is the boss of the cell or control center of the cell. It is produced in bone marrow. No, so you must be getting confused. Where is bone marrow? Now, whenever you eat meat, okay, take an example or anything. You have a bone over here, okay, and inside the bone you have a soft tissue that is known as bone marrow. Lymph nodes, it is in the lymphatic system. When we'll be dealing with this also, lymph nodes, all right. Lifespan is for 2 weeks. They are colorless and circulates throughout the body. They are less in numbers as compared to RBC, and the main function is it acts as the defenders of the cell. All right, it acts as a defenders and also helps to fight against diseases and germs. So soldiers of the body.